Tape reading, as Wyckoff describes, is a disciplined art, a method far removed from the impulsive habits common among traders. It's not simply watching the ticker to catch price trends, nor is it about reacting to headlines in hopes of timing the market just right. It's certainly not about following tips, rumors, or acting on someone else's hunch. The tape reader doesn't buy stocks just because they look strong, or sell because they appear weak, nor do they rely solely on charts or mechanical indicators. It's not about the popular strategy of buying on dips and selling on peaks, nor the countless unplanned, strategy-free actions that traders engage in every day. Tape reading is the defined science of determining the immediate trend of prices from the tape. It is a method of forecasting, based on what appears on the tape in the moment, what is likely to emerge in the immediate future. Tape reading is rapid-fire common sense, with the goal of determining whether stocks are being accumulated, distributed, marked up, marked down, or neglected by large investors. It involves gauging the momentary supply and demand in specific stocks and the entire market, comparing the forces behind each transaction and their relationships. The tape reader has many advantages over the long-term investor, as they rarely venture far from shore, maintaining close stops to avoid significant losses. Accidents or catastrophes cannot seriously injure them, as they can reverse their position instantly and follow the newly formed trend. As their position on either the long or short side is confirmed, they increase their line, following up on the advantage gained. A pure tape reading day trader avoids carrying stocks overnight. The tape is silent during off hours, and something may occur at midnight that could disrupt the next day's plan. Thus, they prefer a clean sheet when the market opens each day. The objective of the tape reader is to achieve an average profit, where the amount of capital or size of orders is secondary to the ability to trade in and out of various markets while maintaining a net profit over losses and commissions. A tape reader follows a definite, thoroughly tested plan, which becomes second nature after months and years of practice. Their mind develops habits that automatically guide their market actions, with intuition reinforced by logic, reason, and analysis. The tape reader evolves into a trading machine which notes a situation, weighs it, decides upon a course, and gives an order. There is no acceleration of the pulse, no nervousness, no hopes or fears concerning their actions. The result produces neither elation nor depression. The prerequisite qualifications for a successful tape reader begin with absolute self-reliance and self-determination. A tape reader cannot afford to depend on others' advice or opinions, as such reliance makes one vulnerable to outside influences. At critical moments, their judgment would falter, having not exercised their own judgment muscles. A professional day trader must confidently declare, "The facts are in front of me, my analysis of the situation is this, therefore, I will do this and this." Second, a tape reader must be well versed in the mechanics of the market, understanding every detail that can impact prices. This includes knowing the earnings history of the stocks they trade, the financial condition of the companies involved, the strategies of large operators in stock accumulation and distribution, and the nature of different market types: bull, bear, sideways, trending. They must also assess the impact of news and rumors, understand when and in which stocks to trade, and gauge the market forces behind each trade. A tape reader must know when to cut losses without emotional strain and when to take profits without excessive pride. A strong grasp of market swings is also essential. A tape reader should recognize the positions of both the market and individual stocks, identifying any inherent weaknesses or strengths in prices and understanding the logic behind movements. They must be able to recognize turning points in the market and visualize, in their mind's eye, what is happening on the exchange floor. Finally, a successful tape reader requires the nerve to endure a series of losses, persistence to continue during challenging periods, self-control to avoid overtrading, and a calm, balanced disposition. These qualities form the foundation for navigating the unpredictable and often intense nature of day trading.